I built an entire home cinema setup with under $200 for a random movie night with my girlfriend. I really hope she will like it. Tomorrow I told my girlfriend that we'll have a movie night and I want to make it a little bit more special. And I want to build an entire home cinema in my living room. But first, to build it, we need a few things. Let's go on Amazon. I have to let you guys know that I will try to do all these things with a budget of under $200 due to the fact that I spent all my money on my ibex spotting hobby. First, the most important thing, we need a projector. Let's see what we can find. Cheap projectors. Okay, I found something. A mini projector, 44 pounds, not bad, full HD, pretty good. Now, I can't use my laptop for audio, and half of the experience of a home cinema is the audio. So we need a decent speaker at a decent price. Cheap projectors. Okay. Now, to complete the experience, we need something really comfortable to sit on. And I don't want to use the couch. So, I'll look for some bean bags. Let's see. Cheap bean bags. And... yeah, there are no cheap bean bags apparently. Inflatable bean bags. Okay, 48 pounds. Yeah, we can do that, definitely. Add to cart. Now, I don't want to inflate them with my mouth. So we also need a Milestone electric air pump high power at 11 pounds 21. Now we got the most quintessential things and they will arrive tomorrow. So see you tomorrow.
24 hours later.
Hello and welcome to the next day. My parcels will arrive in like 2 hours. But first, a movie night is not a movie night without some sodas, snacks and a great ambience. Now we'll go into some shops to see if we can find what we need. Ooh, Chocolino, happy time. Let's see what else we can find. Maybe we can find some of those cute glasses. But are those ones that you just press them and then you do like...
I put bug spray in my little brother.
No, we need some of these are so good. M&M's. Popcorn. We need popcorn and we should get one of these. Chocotestic popcorn. Okay, yeah, let's take this and go.
Next one.
Sorry. Shout out to 10 pound stores. I never left a shop in the past year with 13 pounds and I got a whole bag of things. Very good. We didn't find flowers though. And we also need some cool glasses and maybe some cool straws. Let's see if we can find them. Now I really want to surprise her, so I'm gonna buy her some flowers as well. And I'm gonna buy her so many questions or multiple colors. Oh, we're on a budget, but still, they look so cool. It's like they're premium. So we found almost everything. We got flowers, but we didn't find the cute glasses with the nice straws. And all our parcels are gonna arrive in like an hour, so let's go. So we're done shopping and we got back home. Okie dokie. Oh, is that the door? Ooh, the parcels are here. Amazing! Now we got everything we need. Okay, now let's see what we have in these bags. Okay, in the first paper bag, the compact Bluetooth soundbar. And in this big box, unravel the electric pump. Amazing. Mini projector from Akio, which is advertised as the smallest HD projector. And a chair, an inflatable chair with also the leg resting thing. And another one.
Another one.
Got a little surprise for you. We also spent 4 pounds for popcorn bags. So now we have to tidy everything up, move this table, and set everything up. Now that we tidied everything up, let's open our projector and see what's inside. So, we have some cables, we have a remote controller, the charger, an HDMI cable. This is a... Oh, it's a stand, okay. It's so light, oh my god. So this is the projector that we got for 44 pounds and its rating is 4.1 on Amazon and it has like 2,000 reviews. The seller is called Akio and they brag on their Amazon page that, and I quote, that this is the smallest 720p projector on the market. But to be honest, I am more curious about how it performs. It has a brightness of 7,500 lumens and the power consumption on this is less than 38 watts. It has an HDMI, USB and audio output. Hopefully it will look decent. Next we have the speaker. So inside the box we have some cables and the remote controller. Would you look at that? Okay, so this is the soundbar, very shiny. It looks pretty nice, right? This soundbar is the best-selling #1 soundbar selling. This soundbar is the #1 best-selling soundbar on Amazon. It costs 39 pounds and it was reduced when I purchased it. It's kinda small, but it comes with a remote as well. It has a 50 watts output and it works via Bluetooth, RCA, USB and 3.5mm jack. A lot of options for this price. We inflated the chairs and the little leg rester. And now all we need to do is just to set up the projector and the soundbar. We are done with everything and this is how it looks. This is the under $200 setup. It's pretty janky, a lot of cables, but it works. I have to show you a few things. This is our projector, and when you first start it, you might notice that the tilt and focus are a little bit off. But you have these two wheels right here, from where you can set it up. Oh, and one more thing. This is the projector's menu. You also have a few presets right here that you can use, but you can also customize it yourself. So you have the contrast, the brightness, color, tint, sharpness. You also have some audio settings right here. And you have the aspect ratio, the projection mode, and the projection zoom. The projector also has built-in speakers, and this is how they sound. It costs 11 pounds or dollars, and it's a full-size keyboard. And this is how the soundbar sounds like. Okay, now everything is ready. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The only thing we're missing right now is my girlfriend. Went to buy milk like 2 years ago, but she told me she'll come back. Now we just have to wait. Who's there? She's here. Yeah, come in. Happy movie night, baby! Do you like what we did?
God, this is amazing!
Right? We got the projector and the snacks and everything.
This is awesome!
Now we can watch the rest of Game of Thrones.
Oh my god, they're beautiful!
Yo.
Thank you!
Okay, so what episode were you on?
I think episode 8 of the last one.
Okay, so we're gonna watch the last episode. How much do you think everything costs with the snacks and the chairs and the projector and the soundbar and everything?
I don't know, like 300?
Well, you weren't far. I'm not gonna tell you anyway, but you weren't far. Honestly, I think this is pretty cool for $200. Now we're gonna start watching the last episode from Game of Thrones. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, ding dong the notification bell, like the video, and also our latest 2 videos are right here. Bye!